transform your body with a plant-based diet. Hello friends, today I will talk about why eating more plants is great for your body. A plant-based diet means eating lots of fruits, vegetables, legumes and whole grains. It excludes or minimizes animal products such as meat, dairy and eggs. Plant-based foods are foods that come from plants such as fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts and seeds. One of the biggest problems facing many people today is being overweight, which means they have too much body fat. This can make them sick and cause things like heart problems, diabetes and stroke. The food we eat can affect our weight and health. Some foods such as fruits and vegetables are actually good for us because they contain lots of vitamins and minerals that help our bodies stay healthy. But other foods such as sugary drinks such as soda, snacks, chips and cookies and animal products such as meat, cheese and butter can be bad for us. They have something called saturated fat, which is a type of fat that can be bad for our hearts. Foods called saturated fats can make our hearts unhealthy and lead to heart disease when we get older. It's like when we pour too much oil in the kitchen sink and everything gets clogged. Our blood vessels can also clog if we eat too much saturated fat. Therefore, it is important to eat lots of healthy foods like fruits and vegetables and not eat too many unhealthy foods high in saturated fat. Now, I will tell you about its solution. Don't worry. Plant-based eating offers a solution to these problems. When we eat too much animal products like meat, cheese and butter, they can make our heart unhappy and cause a disease called heart disease. But if we eat less or stop eating these foods, it can help our heart stay healthy and strong. Now I will tell you how plant-based is a game changer. First, lose excess fat. Vegetarian diet is generally really healthy as eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes and nuts provides your body with essential lots of vitamins and minerals which our body needs to stay strong and healthy. All this helps in losing excess fat and build a strong immune system. Second, keep your heart happy. Plant-based diets are naturally low in calories and high in fiber than diets containing animal products which keep your cholesterol under control and your heart healthy. Third, lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure can be dangerous for your heart and brain. Eating more plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables and beans may help lower your blood pressure and keep your heart healthy. Plus, eating a vegetarian diet can help you feel full, so you will not feel as hungry all the time and will not want to eat as much. Fourth, prevent diabetes. Insulin is like a key that helps our cells use the energy from the food we eat. But if our body does not make enough insulin or it does not work properly, it can lead to a problem called diabetes. That is, instead of going to our cells, energy remains in our blood. Eating more plant-based food such as fruit, vegetable, nuts and grains and fewer animal foods such as meat and dairy may help reduce your risk of developing diabetes. Number 5. Improves digestive system. Vegetarian diets are generally lower in saturated and trans fats, which may be easier to digest than animal-based foods that are high in these types of fat. A diet high in saturated fat and trans fats has been linked to digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and discomfort. By avoiding these types of fat, a vegetarian diet may be easier on the digestive system and may help reduce these issues. Number 6. Help the planet. Plant-based food is also good for the planet as it requires less water, land and resources than animal-based agriculture. And number 7, animal welfare. Eating a vegetable diet is good for animals because it means we don't need to raise more animals for food. On farms, some animals are not treated well and may feel pain, but if we eat more plants instead of animals, we can help prevent this from happening and be kinder to animals. Eating more plant based foods is easy. You can start by making small changes such as using tofu instead of meat and adding more vegetables to your meals. Eat less processed foods also. There are recipes books and online groups that can help you get started. And my dear friends, at last I will tell you eating lots of fruits, vegetables and other plant-based foods is a great way to be healthy and happy. It is also good for the animals and the earth. These foods contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that make us strong and healthy. Making small changes to our diet by eating more plants can help us be kinder to our planet and animals. It may take some time, but it is totally worth it. Thank you.